Hello, my name is Jigna Chevli and I'm going to discuss about the visit to Featherdale Sydney Wildlife Park, which works as a place-based learning site for Stage 3 students. Featherdale provides a home to over 2,000 Australian native animals from more than 260 different species and is home to the world's largest collection of Australian wildlife. Focusing on native animals such as dingo, echidnas, wombats, Tasmanian devils, reptiles and also a wide range of collection of birds from Australia and around the world. The park conducts a Stage 3 lesson plan which is amazing adaptations. In this lesson, students examine how some Australian animals have adapted to be living in certain environments. They will get an up close and personal look at some amazing Australian animals and their very specialized adaptations. So the focus syllabus in this excursion is geography, which then highlights objective 1, factors that shape places as students observe range of animals have specific habitat and environment. For instance, grassland, burrow and nest. The outcome targeted from this excursion is geography stage 3 outcome 2, which mean that students can explain the interaction and connection between animals, places and environments. The planning for this excursion starts with key inquiring question, that is how do animals influence places and management of places within them. The geographical content descriptor for this activity is ACHGK028, that is environment shape places as students investigates how natural environment influences animals and places while at park and also during pre and post excursion learning engagements. The geographical concept is environment and sustainability. Geographical tool is fieldwork and geographical inquiry skills they will be demonstrating are acquiring, processing and communicating. There are significant logistics of taking students to this site. The first one is total cost of excursion which comes up to $30, which includes $20 for parks ticket, lunch and $10 for contribution to transportation. Teachers have ensured that permission notes are sent and signed by families and then they collected money. The school booked campus tours spent with bus company for $600 for arrival and departure for an entire educational day out. The teachers also conducted risk assessment in relation to activities, hazard identification, risk metrics, control measures and who is involved. Precautions are taken for medical needs. Roll call folder have been taken at the site and head count is done every 10 minutes. Students are supervised at all times during transportation and at site. Behavior management plan is explicitly followed in order to ensure safety of students and to avoid any misconduct or misbehavior. Before going on this site, a pre-excursion activity of exploring animals from encyclopedia book was conducted which supports their prior knowledge and promotes scaffolding the topic. The post-excursion activity is WebQuest, which is collaborative project on animal adaptation. Thank you for listening.